So I think the Oregon-China relationship as it comes to trade is a very important one in helping to maintain stability, peace, and success for both of our peoples.
I think it's very important that we continue exchange visits because personal contact is very important in improving understanding, friendship, trust, and trade and prosperity for both countries.
We're super excited about our prospects in Greater China. We're just grateful for an economy that's growing and consumers that are passionate about our brand, and I think a government that wants to facilitate growth is a good thing.